It's new trailer day. So this is our second cargo trailer camper conversion. I'm really excited about this one. Welcome to Adventure Dad. Meet trailer number 2. This is our second, gonna be our, hello, welcome to Adventure Dad. Meet trailer number 2. This is going to be our second cargo trailer conversion of the year. First trailer we did, nicknamed Munson, because we had a little breakdown issue in Mississippi. After our little breakdown in Mississippi, we decided we wanted to do the same trailer again, just perfect the design. Our intent here is to build a line of cabinets for trailers, kind of modular that people can put together, centered around one product I'll show you. So this trailer is actually going to be built out, hopefully live. Not live, but I'll give daily updates on the build out of this trailer with our cabinets. This little trailer here is just like our other trailer. So we're 7 feet wide, 12 feet long to the V, plus the V, and then we are 7 feet tall on this one. These trailers, this is an easy hauler. It's measured from the inside, so it's 7 foot to the inside clearance. Pardon me, it has 7 feet of interior headroom. Our other trailer we bought it was rated as 7'6", but that was 7'6" on the outside. So this trailer is about 3.5 inches shorter than that trailer inside. I think I can work with that. With our elevator bed and our bike racks, height is really critical. Otherwise, it's a very similar trailer footprint-wise. What we learned on Munson was #1 rule with these trailers, these cargo trailer conversions: buy a better trailer, unless you want to rebuild it. My other trailer, cheap tires, cheap wheels. The wheel bearings were shot the day we bought it. There was some unfinished welds. The axle ended up breaking on me. There's not a single straight run in it. The wiring was crappy. Just not what I'd recommend. So for an extra, and now this is after 2021 price increases, this trailer cost me $2,000 more than my similarly equipped steel bargain basement trailer. So let's take a look inside. One of the reasons I wanted to go with an aluminum trailer: quality. So weight is going to be a big thing on this build. We're really trying to keep our weight low on this build, so that's going to be part of it. But the other thing about aluminum is, as I saw with my other trailer, these manufacturers a lot of them don't do very good paint. So my other trailer had horrible paint in the underbody, no paint inside. There was really no protection from the elements. And so what the idea with the aluminum is it doesn't corrode. You know, we don't really have to worry about rust. So that's our focus right now on this guy. It's about an aluminum trailer. It's going to be a little bit lighter, but the big thing here is it's going to be a better quality trailer. And I'm already looking at it right now. About got me. I'm looking at it right now. The lines are straighter, the parts are better, all around a much better trailer. So here's the inside of our little easy hauler. I already laid out the lines for our cabinets that we have in our other trailer. You know, one of the issues with working on these trailers is there's no standardization in the industry. So this trailer has a slightly wider door, but it's placed further to the front. So it is going to cause some issues with our cabinet layout that I might have to change up a little bit. This is a real simple little trailer, all aluminum, single sheet roof. The welds are beautiful. Everything appears to be square. Overall, so far, I'm really impressed with the increase in quality from my prior trailer to this trailer. So that's $2,000, a lot less for me to fix. And if these are straight, it's a lot easier to work on than trying to measure everything, and you're missing your stud line as you go up the wall vertically with your wood or whatever. So really excited to build this one out. Let me show you around the outside a couple of the other little features, upgrades that you get when you get a nicer trailer. So this is one of the cheaper, this is an easy hauler. It's an Alcom trailer. Alcom also makes Mission trailers, which have a great reputation. The reason I went with this right away, I found this trailer, went down, talked to the dealer. You know, I'd heard about easy hauler. I kind of knew I wanted aluminum. But when I was at another dealer, I came across a Pioneer horse trailer. Oh my word, I'm not a horse guy, but the quality of that Pioneer horse trailer was amazing. So I was talking to this dealer. He said, well, this is made on the same line. So they have in Missoula, Montana, go Grizz. They run 3 lines: the easy hauler, which is kind of the lower line, and then they have the Mission trailers, and they also run the Frontier trailers. And if they're running them all off pretty much the same line, same manufacturing facility, I really thought if I got the cheapest trailer from the best factory, I'd be in luck. So that's where we're at right now. Let me show you just a couple of little things. Pretty cool. These are the latches for the doors. But this little guy comes in here, folds up, and it just kind of clips in right there, and there's a little clip, and you have a little release right here. On my other trailer, those are just plastic and they pop off all the time when it's windy. The plastic can't hold the door. So pretty cool. I like that a lot. See, those little tires are tucked in there quite a ways. I ordered leaf spring, but it looks like I'm going to be able to put on a nice timber and suspension. So I think that's going to happen to this is once we get the trailer built out and weighed, I'm going to put a 6-bolt 5,000-pound timber and suspension on there. Or I might just put a straight axle because that's a 4-inch drop axle. So we could get bigger tires on there. Can also get it a little bit wider. One thing I do not like about this trailer so far is that is a little bitty tongue. So I'm not going to be able to even put short arm stabilizers on it. And I do like running sway bar or weight distribution hitches on single axle trailers. So I'd like to be able to have those weight distribution. This is too short, but also you can see on a tight turn situation, I would jackknife my truck. So not real impressed with that. I did try to get an option, extended hitch, but it's only available on the double axles. That's it. And final thing about a new trailer. Anytime it's new trailer day, weigh your trailer. So drive from the dealership, take it straight to the cat scales. And what I do is I actually drop my truck. I drop the trailer right on the middle scale, and I drive my truck off and I go back and get a weight. This time this trailer was too light for them to actually register it, but they were able to read the scale. So we were 1,420 pounds with the spare tire in the front. So take off the spare tire, we're at like 1,350. I can net that out later, but it's gonna ride with the trailer. So my intent with this trailer, because our last trailer had some weight issues, was to weigh everything that went in. Weigh it the day you get it, and then weigh everything that goes in it so we have a decent idea of what we're doing. On my last trailer, where I went wrong, I had a rough idea of everything that went into the trailer. Where I went wrong was I didn't weigh it first. So I had a manufacturer listed weight of about 1,200 pounds, which seemed ridiculously low. But they assured me that it was right. I did not weigh the trailer. You know, my guess now in hindsight is that trailer probably weighed closer to 2,000 pounds, given it was steel, 7'6", kind of the whole deal. Anyway, so there you are, new trailer. Hopefully here in a couple of weeks we'll have some videos, build it out. I'm really excited about this Easy Hauler. Thank you so much. Please follow along. Like I said, we're going to do a build. It's going to take a couple weeks to get up and going. I have a new CNC machine coming in. I'm installing a dust collection system. I'm learning CAD design, so hopefully the next boxes will all be CNC cut and we can hang them on the wall. Please like, subscribe, ask questions. All those things really help out the channel, and at 150 subscribers I could use it.